Hey folks, Alan Manick, the Hot Rod Hippie here. This week's video is my 10K giveaway. You folks are gonna have a chance to win the cool stuff sitting here in front of me. Check out this video to find out how. So recently here on YouTube, I crossed over the 10,000 subscriber milestone. Thank you so much to all of you who subscribe to this channel. You really helped make these videos happen for you folks. I reached out to my friends at Sunx Tools and they were happy to partner with me for this 10K giveaway to send over some stuff to give to you folks. I'm going to let you know what they sent over in just a moment and tell you how you can win it, but I want to say thank you to the folks at Sunx Tools. They've been sponsoring videos and helping out around here lately. It really means a lot to the continued operation of the Hot Rod Hippie and making the best quality content that I can for you folks. So thank you to those folks. And let's go ahead and check out what they sent over. First and foremost, we got this 3/8 42-piece impact socket set. Shallow and deep, standard and metric, 8mm to 19mm, 5/16 to 3/4 inch, a 3-inch extension in there, and a universal joint. Comes in this nice blow molded case, so you can go ahead and keep everything organized, clean, keep it all together. That is great. Nothing worse than losing that socket, especially, let's say that 10mm. This set right here is really gonna help you to keep that all together. Next up, we've got this magnetic parts tray, a single place one with the matte black finish on it, the skull in the middle of there, because why not have something cool looking as well as organizing your nuts, bolts, screws, sockets, whatever you need to organize while you're working on a project. We've also got this Flex Fit charcoal gray Sunx hat, my personal favorite of the Sunx hats, the one that I wear most often. Not this one specifically, you will of course get a brand new one. Continuing along with outfitting yourself, we've got this tan canvas backpack. This thing is huge. I cannot overstate how big this bag actually is. You can keep a lot of stuff in here. Let's make a great carry-on bag for flights, maybe a backpack for hiking, whatever you need a bag to transport things. You got a nice heavy-duty bag with tons of pockets to organize. This thing is pretty darn impressive. This will go ahead and help to continue outfitting yourself along with that hat. Now to continue along with outfitting your shop, we've got this Sunx Bluetooth socket speaker. This little Bluetooth speaker is shaped like a socket, so it goes ahead and fits into a shop environment. It's a nice heavy duty little thing. It's got a magnet on the base to go ahead and stick it onto whatever you might be working on, underneath a dashboard, you know, on a fender when you're at a junkyard and working out there. You want to still have some way to listen to music, and it just looks neat if nothing else. And last but not least, to outfit the shop, we've got the stainless steel wall clock. It's got a brushed stainless steel outer design. It's got wrenches for the hour and minute hand. It's got an overall kind of neat design. Looks kind of like a stopwatch, kind of like a gear. Personally, I'm gonna be hanging one of these on the shop wall myself to help me keep track of time. So how do you get into the running to win all of this stuff right here? It's very simple. Let me tell you the multiple ways you have to enter. First and foremost, if you are a Patreon supporter, you already are entered. That's it. By being a supporter, you are automatically entered into any giveaways that I do. Thank you to the folks on Patreon. You really directly help to support this YouTube channel. That is patreon.com/HotRodHippie. The second way to enter is the simplest one. That is go to the comments down below right now and go ahead and leave a comment. That is it. Comment down below, say I want to win, pick me, whatever you want to comment, leave that down below and you're entered to win this prize pack. Please try and keep it friendly, try and keep it nice. You're only gonna get one entry per comment, and I'm not gonna say that if you're a dick, I'm gonna disqualify you, but I deal with enough negative comments, so bear that in mind. Now the third and fourth ways to enter this competition are quite simple, as Facebook or Instagram. You just go ahead and find the giveaway post on my Instagram account or my Facebook account. There will be links in the description down below to those giveaway posts, and enter via the rules listed on those different accounts. So you have up to 4 full chances to enter into this giveaway, really increasing your odds of being the winner of this over $225 value prize pack. And one last note for you folks, I will go ahead and ship international. So for my European, my British, my Australian viewers out there, I will send this stuff to you if you were to win it. But I will tell you right now that I will be declaring value of this stuff and what is in the package when I send it to you. So please, please bear that in mind. I am not responsible for what it may cost you in tariff fees or anything like that, getting this stuff to you. I'm sorry, I just can't do that, but I don't want to exclude you folks from this giveaway. This giveaway is running for 1 week only. It starts today, March 30th, 2019, and 1 week from now, April 6th, 2019, I will be ending the giveaway at noon Eastern Standard Time in the USA. So please go ahead and get your entries in via the 4 different means you have to enter so you have a chance to win. All right, folks, that's gonna wrap this video up. Thank you again to Sonics for partnering with me on this giveaway. Thank you folks for subscribing, getting us over that 10,000 milestone, so you've got the chance to win this stuff. Leave a like on this video if you found it interesting. Leave a comment down below so you can enter this giveaway. Subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with all the latest content, and patreon.com/HotRodHippie if you want to directly support the YouTube channel itself. And when you're a supporter, you get an automatic entry into this giveaway. Thanks for checking it out, folks.